Welcome to Grumbacher Art Information Series. My name is Ken Richards, and today we are going to discuss a part of color theory known as color harmony. Color harmony is another basic concept in color theory that has to do with pleasing arrangements of color to the human eye. These color combinations tend to be received by the brain as favorable and create a favorable response in the viewer. Non-pleasing color combinations are interpreted by the brain as chaos or discordant, and therefore create an unsettling feeling for the viewer. An artist can utilize these concepts to evoke certain feelings, as well as draw attention to or away from certain areas of a painting. There are several very important ideas within color harmony that are of great value to a painter. These ideas include analogous colors, complementary colors, split complementary colors, and triadic colors. Analogous colors are three hues that are located next to each other on a 12-part color chart. For example, yellow, yellow-green, and green. They share a common color denomination, in this case, yellow. When placed next to each other in a photograph or painting, they create a feeling or environment of harmony and are considered extremely pleasing and restful to the human eye and brain. Here are some other examples of analogous colors. Complementary colors are two hues that are directly opposite each other on a traditional 12-part color chart. For example, red and green, or purple and yellow. When placed side by side, these colors attract the eye because they are at maximum contrast. They are dynamic and sometimes unsettling, and artists can use this to draw attention to a particular detail or area in the painting by placing these colors in juxtaposition. Complementary paint colors always produce a neutral color when mixed, usually brown or gray. Split complementary colors are three hues, a base color and two hues adjacent to its complementary color. The effects of using split complementary colors are very similar to using complementary colors, although presenting slightly less tension. Triadic colors are three hues located equidistant from one another on the color wheel. Use of triadic colors provides strong visual contrast and color variety while still maintaining the color harmony. As with split complementary colors, use of triadic colors offer less contrast than complementary colors. Most artists will choose one of the triadic colors as the dominant color and then use the other two more as accents. Color interpretation, sometimes called color context, has to do with how color is interpreted differently, dependent on its surroundings. This is an extremely complex area of color theory, but the basic concept suggests that depending on the context in which the color is set, the brain will interpret color differently. To demonstrate this, take a look at these four red dots. The first one is set against a black background, which has a great amount of contrast and almost seems to float in front. The second one is set against a white background, which is considerably less brilliant and seems to set back into the whiteness. The third one is on an orange background and almost blends right in. The fourth one is against a turquoise background and again seems brilliant with high contrast. Notice how the red dot on black seems larger than the rest. Although this demonstration just touches the surface of color interpretation, it does show how color is highly affected by its surroundings. Thank you for joining us today, and please check out our other videos available at grumbacher.com.